Hello guys, all you know that by now you have learned the three stanzas of the poem The Road Not Taken. The writer is Robert Frost. So I will start today the fourth and the last stanza of the poem. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere aged and aged hence two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. Now I dictate you some difficult words. Sigh. Sigh means deep or heavy breath. Here, this indicates the choice or opportunity or option of the life. Ages and ages. Ages and ages means after a very long time. Hence. Hence means for this reason. Difference means not similar. Now I want to detail this stanza. Here the Robert Frost says that I shall be telling this with a sigh. Means in a grief, in a sorrow mood, the writer will tell the other persons about the option, about the choice, about the opportunity of the life which has been chosen by him. But he will not tell it suddenly. He will tell the other persons some other places after a long time. Two roads diverge in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the difference. In the first stanza also, it was printed that two roads diverge in a wood. The poet had seen two roads divided into two different directions in the forest, and the poet took the road which was less traveled by the other travelers, and the road which was used by a lot of people, that road was left by the poet. It means the poet covered the distance of the road which was full of challenging. The poet does not choose the first road on which road a lot of travelers had walked over it. The writer chooses the second road which was less traveled, because in future he regrets that he could not choose both the roads. Choosing the less traveled road has changed the poet's life. And this way, a particular choice changes a person's life. Now, come to some questions to practice it. Before giving the question, there is also the rhyme scheme and another figure of speech, that is assonance. Assonance, the repetition of the initial vowel sounds in a phrase or a sentence is called assonance. So in the fourth stanza, ages and ages, it indicates the assonance. And regarding the rhyme scheme, from stanza 1, 2, 3 and last stanza 4th, all have the same rhyme scheme. Sigh, I, by. Hence, difference. This way, A, B, A, B. This is the rhyme scheme of the all stanzas of this poem. Now, I give some questions for practice. Question number 1. And that had made all the difference what made all the difference in the poet's life. Question number 2. Do you think the Poet is happy with his choice. Why? Why not? Question number 3 and last. Write the theme of the poem The Road Not Taken. This way, this poem is completed. By now, all students will revise and read again and again this poem. Next day, I will start next topic